Is it time to buy or sell SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock? In this video, we will explore SharpLink Gaming Ltd in greater depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions, in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 13th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SharpLink Gaming Ltd as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.35. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has performed better than our system predicted, with a gain of 29.75%. This translates to an average return of 9.92% per day since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a very broad and strong upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $10.40 is breached, it will first suggest a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 75.96% over the coming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 53.16% to 1,180.40%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 9.03%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -70.20% to 625.85% over the next year. In current terms, this could place the future price between $3.56 and $86.74. Our latest daily update for SharpLink Gaming Ltd reveals the headline, High Volatility in SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $11.95. The SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock price experienced a decline of 10.89% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 17th of June 2025, dropping from $13.41 to $11.95. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 17.22%, ranging from a low of $11.61 to a high of $13.61. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a significant drop of 76.24% over this period. Trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume trends should align with stock performance. On that day, the trading volume fell by 31 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $179,810,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $124.12, while the lowest price was $2.33. Currently, the price sits 90.37%, or $112.17, below the 52-week high, and 97.43%, or $453.65, below the all-time high recorded on the 17th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $465.60. SharpLink Gaming Inc., trading under the ticker SBET, has made headlines with its strategic move to acquire 176,271 Ethereum for approximately $463 million, positioning itself as the largest publicly traded holder of Ethereum globally. This acquisition taps into a burgeoning interest in cryptocurrency as a treasury asset, reflecting a broader trend within public markets toward digital currency adoption. Following this acquisition, SharpLink's stock price has seen significant gains, with an Ethereum per-share growth of 11.8% since early June. Earlier this month, the company also closed a $425 million private placement led by Consensus Software to solidify its treasury strategy centered on Ethereum. This influx of capital is pivotal for SharpLink as it pivots from being solely an online performance marketing entity in the sports betting sector to a forward-thinking player in crypto investments. The short-term impact of these developments is likely to favorably influence SBET's stock price as investor confidence grows due to the massive gains and heightened visibility in the market. Moreover, appointing Joseph Lubin, co-founder of Ethereum, as chairman adds considerable weight to the company's credibility and strategic direction. In the long term, if SharpLink successfully implements its Ethereum treasury strategy, it could set a precedent for other firms and foster sustained interest in its stock. However, the inherent volatility of cryptocurrency must be navigated carefully to maintain investor trust and prevent potential declines in stock valuation. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SharpLink Gaming Ltd. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $23.94 and $20.13. A break above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 29, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 84.91%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger signaled a buy opportunity 135 days ago. Short-term moving average showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 18 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average signaled a sell opportunity 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 17 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SharpLink Gaming Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.21. Without any support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases as a drop below the support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicated by its volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2 between its high and low, representing a change of 17.22%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 31.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SharpLink Gaming Ltd, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 12th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SharpLink Gaming Ltd. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SharpLink Gaming Ltd. is at $13.41. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, SharpLink Gaming Ltd's first support level is at $9.21. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SharpLink Gaming Ltd from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Lubin Joseph Michael, who bought and sold 13,369,164 shares or options in the company. Based on the 84 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider activity is positive, with a ratio of 94.240. Overall, insiders acquired 19,100,216 shares and sold 857,639 shares during the last 84 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock a good buy? The stock of SharpLink Gaming Ltd presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that SharpLink Gaming Ltd will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we anticipate that SharpLink Gaming Ltd will open higher by 440 cents, starting at $12.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.